Welcome to technologybase.com. In this video you will learn how to reset the password for Directory Service Restore mode in Windows Server 2012 R2. First of all, you need to open the command prompt and then type NTDSUTIL, then type set DSRM password, then type reset password on server null, then enter the password, the new password, and confirm new password. So password has been set successfully. Then you type quit and quit again. Thank you for watching.